आपका क्वेश्चन है इक्वल सर्कल्स विथ सेंटर O and O dash touch each other at X. O dash produced to meet a circle with center O dash at A. AC is a tangent to the circle whose center is O. O dash D is perpendicular to AC. Find the value of D O dash by CO. Now understand this. देखो इसने क्या बोला है. फर्स्ट इसने कहा देर आर टू इक्वल सर्कल्स एंड द सेंटर इज O and O dash. तो these are the two equal circles. Center is O and O dash. ठीक है. Now touch each other at X. This is your X point where they are touching each other. O dash produced to meet a circle with center O at the point A. They have given A. Next, AC is tangent to the circle whose center is O. A to C is the tangent of this circle. Next, what they have given? O dash D is perpendicular to AC. O dash D is perpendicular to AC. That means it will form here 90 degree. Find the value of this. Now, you can see that, what you can see? In this circle, this is your circle 2 and this is your circle 1. Now, in circle 1 what happens? We will write that circle 1. In circle 1, OC is your radius. OC is equal to your radius. And AC is the tangent. AC is the tangent. We know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So what happens? OC is perpendicular to AC. That means they will form 90 degree. So this angle is your 90 degree now. Now we can say OCA. Angle OCA is equal to 90 degree. Now see now. If OX is the radius, you can see here O dash X is also radius. But they have given this. So this is your diameter. That means it's a 2R. So now we can say that O dash is equal to O dash X is equal to XO, that is equal to your radius. This is R, this is also R, and this is also R. And this is also R, we can say. Next, what we have to do? Now, we have to take two triangles. What are they? A small triangle, that is ADO dash. Triangle ADO dash and triangle AOC. This one, big triangle. And we have to make them similar. Now you can see that here angle D or here angle C, they are 90 degrees. So now we can say angle ADO dash is equal to angle ACO, that is equal to 90 degree. So this is your angle. And you can see angle A is common this and big triangle. Angle A is equal to common. तो अगेन ए, now we can say by a similarity criterion they are similar. By a similarity criterion they are similar. That means triangle ADO dash is similar to triangle ACO. Now, if they are similar, now the sides will go into proportion. So what happened? Just we will write. Now we can say AO by AO dash, this is dash, by AO, that is equal to AD by AC, that is equal to O dash D by OC. Now put the values. So you can see AO dash is R. So we will write here R by, now AO, A to O is how many R? 3R. So we will write 3R. That is equal to what they have asked you, DO dash by CO. That means this one. So we will write that only, O dash D by OC. Now R and R gone. So what are the ratios? Now we can say O dash D by OC is equal to 1 by 3. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आपको इसको निकालना।